To compare two cities on best places. Start by visiting the website and clicking on the Compare tab at the top of the page. This will take you to a page where you can enter the names of the two cities you want to compare. Type in the names of the cities in the provided fields and select them from the drop-down menu. Once you have selected the cities, click on the Compare button to proceed. The website will then generate a detailed comparison report that covers various aspects of the two cities, including cost of living, housing, education, healthcare, and more. The comparison report is divided into different categories, each providing a detailed analysis of the two cities. The cost of living category, for example, compares the prices of groceries, housing, utilities, and transportation in the two cities. The housing category compares the median home prices, average rent, and other housing-related costs. To get the most out of the comparison report, take your time to review each category and pay attention to the data and statistics provided. You can also use the website's built-in tools to customize the comparison report and focus on the categories that are most important to you. One of the key features of Best Places is its ability to provide a comprehensive and unbiased comparison of different cities. The website uses data from reputable sources, including the U.S. Census Bureau and the Bureau of Labor Statistics, to generate its reports. By following these steps and using the tools and features provided by Best Places, you can make informed decisions about which city is the best fit for you. Whether you are relocating for work, school, or personal reasons, comparing cities on Best Places can help you navigate the process and find the city that meets your needs and preferences. Overall, comparing cities on Best Places is a straightforward and informative process that can provide valuable insights and help you make the right decision. By taking the time to review the comparison report and use the website's tools and features, you can get the most out of the experience and find the city that is right for you.